Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank our business partners who sent us these amazing food. So on my left, ito po ang mga pagkain na pinadala ni Dente Pasta Selections. And then we have some gourmet products coming from Sue's Kitchen. So a little bit of story. This pandemic has caused us, some concerns. And at the same time, may mga positive din naman na naitulot ang COVID-19 pandemic. Lalo po tayo naging mas maparaan kung paano kumita. Both of these businesses were strengthened dahil po nangyari ang COVID-19. And good enough, naging maganda naman po yung feedback from the community. From Dente Pasta Selections, nagpadala po sila sa atin ng Charlie Chan, which is just 200 pesos. And then meron din po tayong Classico Carbonara, which is 180 pesos. These food packages can serve probably 1 to 2 persons, no? And then meron din po tayong mga goodies. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, which is 120 pesos. S'mores chocolate chip cookies, which is 150 pesos. Double chocolate chip cookies, which is 140 pesos. And then lastly, meron tayong moist and chewy chocolate brownies for 120 pesos. So let's taste them. I can't wait to taste them, guys. So unahin muna natin tong Charlie Chan, which is, also a popular pasta. So in it, you have your mushroom, peanuts, chili. Whoa! Also included po dito is yung chicken, which is really flavorful. What I like about it is peanuts are crunchy. Ang sarap nung flavor ng mushroom nila, guys. And then lastly, it is chili. I like chili food. The first food or yung pasta natin made high standard. So, tignan natin yung carbonara nila kung ano yung lasa. I think these are ham or bacon. Meron din siyang large slices of mushrooms. It is absolutely creamy. Wow! If you are to ask me, guys, kung sino pipiliin ko sa dalawa, I'd go for the Charlie Chan. So sa mga gourmet nila, these are from Sue's Kitchen. Suka, Kapampangan, guys, aslam, chili garlic sauce, and then meron tayong bagoong. So what a better way to taste this is teternuhan mo kung ano yung talaga yung terno niyang pagkain. No? So for the bagoong, of course, we have mangoes. Check it out! I'm gonna put it here. And then since meron na tayong na-scoop na bagoong dito, let me try it. Try it. Wow! Honest information, I'm not really a fan of bagoong. Medyo nalalansahan ako. But this one, guys, is actually cooked good, no? Hindi siya maalat. It does not overpower yung pagkain na tineterno mo. So, panterno naman dito sa ating suka. Of course, meron tayong panerno dyan. Chicharon goodies. Dip it here. A good dip dito sa suka. Wow, that's a lot of ingredients right there. Wow. Wow. So, heto na yung na-scoop natin na chili garlic paste or chili garlic sauce. Lagyan natin siya ng toyo mansi. So we're just gonna stir a little bit. And syempre, ano ba yung magandang tineterno sa toyo mansi? It is siomai. Siomai! What a happy day. What a happy day. let me get this yung siomai natin na filled with chili garlic paste. That is just so satisfying. So satisfying. Woo! Woo! That is one heck of a chili garlic. Grabe. Sa mga chili garlic, sa mga, chili-based food naman, yun talaga yung gusto ko. Yung talagang sobrang bububugin ka talaga sa anghang, which is, wow. Napapakanin ka kahit ano yung ulam mo, pwede na. What else can you ask for, guys? So, again, let me thank Al Dente pasta selections for these pasta and sweets, cookies and brownies, as well as Su's Kitchen for the gourmet products. Guys, I'm gonna continue with this Charlie Chan. Sobrang na-enjoy ako dito. Ang sarap, guys. You gotta try. And if you like the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let's show some appreciation. Give them a like, guys. Please give them a like. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. I hope to see you on the next video because I'm gonna be there again. See you there.